Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's make this amazing template. First of all, give the background an image. So I'll just use these building images and insert a rectangle that covers the entire slide, changes color to black and increases transparency weight, and insert a donut shape and you have to put it into the middle or center of the template and then give it a slide background fill. Next, insert a small circle of 10 centimeter height and width and diameter and give it a gradient of two colors. I'll use turquoise and the blue color. Next, insert a huge text box for the text and the title. Next, put it right here like this, and you have to give the uh, content text as well. Next, select both of them and put them right here like this. Insert a new slide, and in this slide, what you're going to do is insert a rectangle and insert a picture in it. I'll use the pictures from the online pictures. You can also use a free image from right here and go to crop option and form a picture and duplicate this one and give it a gradient and use the same colors as you used the first template and give it transparency. You have to insert a white rounded corner rectangle and give it a shadow. Next, increase the shadow's distance and type your text on this shape. Next, what you have to do is increase its size, change its font, and change its color, and give it some spacing. Next, flip it 90 degrees, and next, put it right here like this. The next thing you're going to do is insert a small donut shape, decrease its size, remove its outline, and here you go. Insert a text box right in front of it, in which you're going to write your header, and then bold it. And next you have to insert a text box for the content text as well. So let's just type in your content text and decrease its size and put it right below the title. Duplicate these shapes about 4 times. Next put them right here upwards like this and change the text color. And next give an outline that connects both of these donuts. Now insert a text box for the title, and you have to use a bold font for the title, and right below you're gonna add the link of your website and give it the same font color that you used before. Now insert a third template, and this you're gonna insert a triangle like this, duplicate it like this, and you have to duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D, and you have to put them in this order. Select them and duplicate them again and put them like this onto the right side. And here you go. Duplicate these two shapes again. Select all of them and group them and insert an image in them. Group them by pressing Ctrl plus G for a laptop or a desktop. Let me just find a suitable image. Here you go. You can adjust your image from right here. Here you go. Next, paste the triangle on each of them and change its color to blue and give them a transparency. Rotate them if you want and put them in on top of each of the triangle. The next thing you're going to do is select all of them and then group them and insert a text box for the header. And here this is our header, and next insert your content text and give it some spacing. There you go. Put it right here like this. Insert a straight line right here and change its color and put it right here like this as well. And insert a fourth template in which you're gonna insert 4 of the rectangle and group them and put them into the slide and insert an image in each of them and adjust it.